We are here in Springfield today. We're at 17 Fenimore Boulevard. This is a great one here, already an FHA appraisal on file. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, let's go on inside. Let's go talk to Erica Swallow from Coldwell Banker Realty and have her show us around. All right, we're here. What's going on? Yeah, it's good to see you as well. Yeah. Why don't you show us around this place?
Yeah. Welcome to 17 Fenimore Boulevard in Springfield. This one is back on market after the buyer lost financing. It has an FHA appraisal on file for $300,000, and it's currently listed at $290,000 after 2 price drops. So this is a great opportunity for a buyer to come in and close really quickly. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, located in East Forest Park along the East Longmeadow line.
What a great room for a home office.
It has a couple great features such as a custom Herzenberg kitchen and built-in office, granite countertops, a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, and one of my favorite features is the panel-covered dishwasher. It has 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs and a full bath. It has a lovely fenced-in yard, lots of upgrades to this historical home, including insulated windows and doors, natural gas hookup. So this is one of those interesting opportunities to have a beautiful historical home in a lovely location with also some of those upgraded amenities.
This is a great one here, already an FHA appraisal on file. FHA buyers, come on in, appraisal's already done. We've got a 2-car garage. This is an awesome house. I love it, Erica. If you agree and you want more info, Erica's info is on the screen here. Set up a private showing, reach directly out to her. She is here to help. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.